Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. So if your Telegram app is showing a black screen when playing the video, don't worry, I've got a quick solution for you. Let's fix it step by step. For that, you want to make sure you clear the cache. And to do so, go ahead and open up your settings. Inside settings, tap on general, then tap on iPhone storage. Inside here, search for Telegram and then tap onto it. Now once you're inside this kind of interface, go ahead and tap on upload app, then tap on offload app again. This will help you free up the storage used by Telegram and will also help you to clear the cache. Once done, you want to make sure you tap on reinstall application right over here. So once you've done that, you want to make sure you have Telegram app updated. Open up your app store and then in the search bar simply search for Telegram. Once you search for it, go ahead and tap onto it, and if you see update instead of open, go ahead and tap on update and let your application update to its latest version. And after you do all of that, you want to go ahead and simply restart your device. Sometimes a simple restart can fix temporary the sleep box. And even after you do that, you're still facing problem, you want to go ahead and simply uninstall Telegram from your device and then reinstall it via the App Store. And that's it guys, your Telegram video playback should be now working normally. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, don't forget to like and sub, and I'll see you in the next one.